Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I will be showing you an easy DIY hair mask that I made with chocolate. Who would have thought that chocolate would actually be good for your hair? It helps promote hair growth and it helps reduce hair aging and hair loss by combating oxidative stress. Chocolate also moisturizes and adds shine to the hair strands. But I'm not going to be using the chocolate after all the milk and butter has been added to it. I will be using it when it is in this purest, minimally processed form of chocolate made by cold pressing unroasted cacao beans to retain its natural nutrients. Cacao is also very healing to the body. It is scientifically known as the food of the god. Over the past 2 months, I have been eating a lot healthier, and I actually replaced my coffee with a cup of cacao every morning. And let me tell you guys, I have noticed a big difference already. But that's for another video. One of its benefits that I do want to talk about is that it increases blood circulation throughout the whole body. So that got me to thinking, well, what if I use this in my hair? So that's what I will be trying out for you guys today for the first time. Now, I ordered my cacao powder off of Amazon, but if you don't want to do that, you can use organic cocoa powder, or they do sell dark chocolate bars. Just make sure that it is at least 70% cacao in it. You can melt 10 squares using the double boil method and use that instead of the powder. Now I'm just making sure all my ingredients are mixed together good. I honestly don't think this is going to be enough, you guys, so I'm going to add another tablespoon of cacao, another tablespoon of olive oil, and another heaping spoonful of my deep conditioner. Halfway through applying it to my hair, it looked like I was going to run out, so I did add another tablespoon of each of my ingredients. So this is how it's looking. Time to apply it to my hair. Alright, so I already have my hair broken down into 4 sections, which will make it easier to apply. I'm starting at the roots, getting as close to my scalp as possible without touching it. I'll work my way down all the way to the ends, making sure that I work the mask through my hair as evenly as possible. Now, you guys, you always want to take your time when manipulating your hair to prevent any damage. That's why it's good to do your hair a day when you're not stressed and have plenty of time to be gentle. You do not want to rush to do your hair. What's the sense of doing all these treatments and everything if you're just damaging and breaking your hair off when you are handling it? I want to make sure that I get my ends really good. So now that I have this section done, I'll move to the next part. Alright, so now that I've applied the mask to all 4 sections of my hair, I'm just going to wrap it and let this sit in my hair for about an hour. So it's been an hour. Let's unwrap and see what we're working with. Everything looks good so far. Time to get in the shower and rinse it out. You guys, I don't know how I made such a mess, but I have chocolate all over the place, all on my walls, on my floor, outside my shower, everywhere. So I'm just going to continue rinsing this behind my glass doors, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results. All right, so I think I got it all out. It actually rinsed out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, my hair feels absolutely amazing. If you have never tried chocolate in your hair or didn't even know that you could use chocolate in your hair, I suggest that you at least give it a try. And if you have, drop a comment below and let me know if you liked it or not. I'm just amazed at how this mask has defined my curl pattern. All right, so I am out of the shower and look at those curls, you guys. First time using chocolate in my hair and I am very pleased with the results. This will definitely be incorporated in my hair care routine regularly. I think this just may be the best DIY deep conditioner treatment that I have done, hands down. This chocolate hair mask really revived my curls and took them to the next level. And I just want to let you guys know that I have been using my Rev Air after every wash day for over a year now, and I have absolutely no heat damage. So shout out to the Rev Air. All right, you guys, that is it for this video. In the next couple of days, I will be doing a crochet style that I will be recording. So look out for that video. Until then, take care, and I'll see you then. Bye.